Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USA Clean for 12 years, and this is the Tomcat 270 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace the guide wheels that are damaged or gouged or broken in any way. It's the same for either side. Take a 9/16 and remove this nut from the bolt right next to the caster. Now you got to do is take the bolt from the bottom side and push it up. Slide it out of the guide wheels. And pull them out just like that. Now to replace, just reverse your steps, take your guide wheels, slide them back in and line them up. Take the bolt. Line it back up. Replace the 9/16 nut and washer. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.